to those who did not see it on the daylight savings time video, so this is actually just to experience what it is like. This is actually how an Amazon Echo clock restarts itself. Had a bit of a battery malfunction, but I think I got it back up and going now. And yes, it is connected to the Echo. So, see it's right there. So it's resetting itself. And that is how an Echo clock resets itself whenever daylight savings time occurs or if you have to change out the batteries. Hope you enjoyed. From Godzilla Zachary.